Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most affordable yet high-quality makeup brands out there, ColourPop. If you love makeup that's trendy, pigmented, and budget-friendly, then this video is for you. I'll be sharing my top 5 ColourPop products that you absolutely need in your collection. So let's get started. Start at number 1. Bestland 12 Cis Matte Liquid Lipstick plus Lip Liner Pen Set Review. If you're searching for an affordable yet stylish lip collection, the Bestland 12 Pieces Matte Liquid Lipstick plus Lip Liner Set is a must-have. This best-selling makeup kit includes 6 matte liquid lipsticks and 6 matching lip liners, giving you everything you need for bold, defined lips. The lipsticks are formulated with a lightweight, silky texture that glides on smoothly and sets to a true matte finish. They are long-lasting, waterproof, and smudge-resistant, making them perfect for busy days or special occasions. Infused with plant oil, these lip colors stay comfortable on the lips without drying or cracking. The liners complement the lipsticks beautifully, helping to define and enhance your pout while extending wear time. With versatile shades ranging from everyday nudes to bold reds, this set is ideal for work, parties, weddings, or casual outings. Plus, it's 100% cruelty-free, so you can wear it with confidence. Beautifully packaged, the Bestland Lip Kit also makes a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or bridal parties. At such an affordable price, you're getting a complete lip wardrobe that delivers professional quality results without breaking the bank. Bold, smooth, and long-lasting, this set truly has it all. Number 2. The Cav Scent Makeup Kit, complete makeup set for teens and women. Looking for an all-in-one makeup kit that's perfect for teens, young adults, or even professional use? The Cav Scent Makeup Kit is a versatile and comprehensive set that has everything you need to create a full-face look. This kit includes an 18-color eyeshadow palette, foundation, concealer, mascara, lip gloss, eyebrow pencil, eyeliner, contour stick, loose powder, powder puff, and makeup brushes. Essentially a professional quality set in one sleek package. The high-quality cosmetics are pigmented, skin-friendly, and easy to apply, making it suitable for beginners and professionals alike. Minimal fallout ensures a clean, flawless application every time. Perfect for various occasions, such as casual outings, parties, festivals, weddings, and salons, this makeup set caters to all skin tones. Its vibrant colors and versatile design also make it an ideal gift for birthdays, Valentine's Day, Christmas, or special celebrations. Whether you're a teen starting your makeup journey or an adult looking for a portable, all-inclusive kit, the Cav Scent Makeup Kit provides everything you need for creative, professional-looking makeup. With this set, achieving a polished and stunning look has never been easier or more convenient. Complete, vibrant, and user-friendly, a must-have makeup kit for every beauty enthusiast. Number at 3, Tarte Glowing Cheeks Blush Tape and Glow Tape Duo Product Review. The Tarte Blush and Glow Tape Duo is a must-have for anyone looking to achieve radiant, lifted, and naturally glowing cheeks. This innovative duo combines a dewy blush with a complementary highlighting glow, giving your complexion a soft, fresh, and luminous finish. Formulated to smooth and blur imperfections, the blush and glow work together to create a flattering, lifted look without emphasizing fine lines or texture. The creamy, blendable formula delivers vibrant yet natural color that feels lightweight and comfortable on the skin. Available in stunning shades like Berry and Bronze Glow and Pink and Pearl Glow, this duo suits a variety of skin tones and makeup looks, from everyday natural radiance to evening glam. Its compact design makes it perfect for travel, on-the-go touch-ups, or adding that extra pop of color wherever you are. In addition to its gorgeous finish, the Tarte Blush and Glow Duo is easy to apply, long-lasting, and gives a professional quality look at an affordable price. Whether you're a makeup beginner or an enthusiast, this duo provides a quick and effortless way to enhance your cheeks with color and luminosity. Glowing smooth and radiant, Tarte's Blush and Glow Duo is the ultimate cheek essential. Next, number 4, Julep Eyeshadow 101 Cream to Powder Shadow Stick Pearl Shimmer Review. The Julep Eyeshadow 101 Cream to Powder Shadow Stick is perfect for anyone who wants a quick, long-lasting, and crease-proof eye look. This innovative eyeshadow stick combines the smooth application of a cream with the waterproof, powdery finish of a traditional eyeshadow, giving you vibrant, professional results without the need for brushes. Formulated with vitamin C and E, this shadow stick not only adds stunning shimmer, but also nourishes and protects your delicate eye area from free radicals and environmental damage. The 02 Pearl Shimmer shade offers a soft golden beige glow that brightens the eyes and complements any makeup look, from natural day wear to bold evening glam. With over 30 highly pigmented shades in the range, you can create endless looks, whether understated or dramatic. The stick includes a built-in smudger for effortless blending, allowing for smooth, customizable application. Simply glide across the lid, blend with the smudger or fingers, and enjoy a crease-proof, waterproof finish that lasts all day. Perfect for makeup beginners and pros alike, the Julep Cream to Powder Shadow Stick delivers convenience, pigmentation, and long-lasting wear in one sleek, travel-friendly product. Quick, blendable, and radiant. The ultimate eyeshadow stick for effortless, all-day shimmer. And finally, number 5, ColourPop Fresh Kiss Glossy Lip Balm Strawberry Milk Review. If you're looking for a hydrating, glossy lip balm that nourishes while adding a touch of color, the ColourPop Fresh Kiss Glossy Lip Balm is a must-have. This 2-pack delivers soft, plump-looking lips with a glossy, high-shine finish that feels ultra-cushiony on application. Enriched with hyaluronic acid, peptides, shea butter, mango butter, and vitamin E, this lip balm deeply hydrates and conditions lips, keeping them smooth, moisturized, and protected from dryness. Its rich, nourishing formula ensures your lips stay soft all day, whether worn alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. The strawberry milk shade offers a subtle pink tint with a deliciously sweet scent, making it perfect for everyday wear or adding a fresh pop of color for any occasion. ColourPop also offers this balm in 7 other yummy flavors, catering to every mood, from sheer chocolate browns to juicy cherry reds. Application is effortless. Simply swipe directly onto your lips for instant moisture and shine. As a bonus, this cruelty-free lip balm is made in California with a commitment to luxury formulas at affordable prices. Perfect for beauty lovers who want quality without compromise. Soft, shiny, and nourishing, the ultimate go-to lip balm for daily hydration and shine. So, those were my top 5 ColourPop picks. Which one is your favorite? Or did I miss one of your holy grails? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow makeup lovers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next beauty review.